Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best coloring kit is probably one of the most exciting ways to spark your child's creativity. Coloring kits are fantastic for kids aged 4 to 8, a time when they begin to express their artistic talents and develop their unique sense of self. These kits not only provide hours of fun but also help develop fine motor skills, making them a perfect choice for parents looking to nurture their child's artistic journey. Number 5. Crayola Tie-Dye Art Case, 140 CT, Kids Art Kit. Introducing the Crayola Tie-Dye Art Case. This amazing kit is packed with everything your child needs to create colorful masterpieces. It's the perfect way to spark their imagination. Inside, you'll find 140 pieces, including markers, colored pencils, crayons, and paper. This portable art studio lets them take their creativity wherever they go. It's all neatly organized for easy access. The durable tie-dye case is built to last, perfect for active kids. They can easily carry it to art class, use it at home, or take it on holiday. It's designed for frequent transport. Looking for a great gift? This Crayola art kit is ideal for birthdays and holidays. It's a gift that encourages creativity and provides hours of fun. It's safe and non-toxic, perfect for kids. With a wide range of colors, from bright to subtle, they can bring their artwork to life. This set allows them to explore different shades and create artwork that truly pops. It's a fantastic way to express themselves. The case keeps everything organized with trays and compartments. This makes it easy for kids to find what they need. They can easily find their supplies and get creative right away. What we like? This kit is a treasure trove of art supplies, offering everything your child needs to unleash their creativity. It's also designed to be portable and organized, making it perfect for on-the-go artistic adventures. If you're looking for a gift that sparks imagination and keeps everything tidy, this is the one. It's ideal for young artists who love to create wherever they go. What people say. From the outside, the case itself is very sturdy and durable. In this unique box, there are a ton of supplies that can easily encourage children to do anything artistic. It comes with so many different necessary things, and the durability is outstanding. Number 4. Crayola Twistables Colored Pencils Set 65 Pieces. Introducing the Crayola Twistables Colored Pencils Set. This set includes 25 twistable colored pencils and 40 paper sheets, all in a durable plastic case. It's perfect for kids who love to draw and color. The included art case makes it easy to bring your art supplies wherever you go. This portable set is perfect for on-the-go fun. It's a great way to keep everything organized. No sharpening or peeling is required with these pencils. Simply twist up the color and start creating. It's convenient and mess-free. The plastic barrel protects the color core from damage. Twist down to protect the tips when not in use. This design helps the pencils last longer. These twistable colored pencils are ideal for coloring, drawing, and creating on the go. They are perfect for detailed work and filling in large areas. Let your creativity flow. Looking for a fun and creative gift? This set is perfect for kids of all ages. It's a great present for holidays or birthdays. These pencils are safe and non-toxic, making them ideal for children ages 4 and up. Parents can rest assured knowing that their kids are using safe art supplies. What we like? This set features twistable colored pencils, eliminating the need for sharpening and making it super convenient. The included art case keeps everything organized and ready for action. If you have a child who loves to color and draw, and you're looking for a mess-free and travel-friendly option, they will love this set. It's perfect for little hands and big imaginations. What people say. They make for a great gift to those little ones that love to color. It keeps all the markers together, no more rouge markers in the car. The tray is helpful for a nice hard surface and it locks easily for those littles. Number 3. Crayola All That Glitters Art Case, 50 plus PCS. Introducing the Crayola All That Glitters Art Case. This amazing set is packed with everything your child needs to create dazzling artwork. It's perfect for sparking creativity and adding a touch of glitter to any project. Inside, you'll find over 50 pieces, including glitter crayons, glitter glue, and glitter chalk. This set also includes a color-your-own sticker sheet and construction paper. It's a complete art studio in a convenient case. The durable, portable case keeps all the supplies organized. It's easy to take it on the go, making it perfect for travel or playdates. This ensures that the fun never has to stop. This set brings a sparkly touch to classic art supplies. Kids can add glitter to their drawings, crafts, and more. It's a fun way to make any artwork stand out. With the Color Your Own sticker sheet, kids can create unique glitter stickers. They can personalize their belongings or add a special touch to their artwork. It's a fun and creative way to express themselves. This craft kit is safe and non-toxic, making it a great gift for kids ages 5 and up. It's designed to provide hours of creative fun. It's a gift that encourages imagination and artistic expression. What we like. This art case is all about adding a touch of sparkle to your child's creations. It includes glitter crayons, glue, and even a Color Your Own sticker sheet. If you like to add a little extra sparkle to your art projects, this set is perfect for you. It's a fun and creative way to make art that shines. What people say. She loved it. It gave her something to do while resting. My 6-year-old enjoyed it. My kids loved it. Number 2. JOYEZA Rock Painting Kit Deluxe. This kit is perfect for sparking creativity in kids of all ages. It's a fun way to create unique art and spread positive messages. Kids will have a blast from the moment they open the box. It encourages creativity and helps them develop artistic skills, offering a screen-free activity. Looking for a great gift? This kit is ideal for kids of all ages. It provides hours of fun with smooth stones, vibrant paints, and fun accessories. This kit includes 12 rocks, various paints, glitter glue, transfer sheets, googly eyes, and sparkling gems. It offers more items than similar products, providing excellent value. JOYEZA products come with a lifetime guarantee. If there are any issues, you're entitled to a full refund and a free replacement, no questions asked. What we like. This kit offers a unique and engaging art experience with everything needed to paint rocks. It's a fun and educational activity that encourages creativity and kindness. If you are looking for a creative activity that combines art with a positive message, this is a great choice. It's perfect for kids who love to create and share their art with the world. What people say. The variety of paints is fantastic, vibrant, easy to apply, and they dry quickly. The included brushes are perfect for both fine details and covering larger areas. The rocks themselves are smooth and just the right size for little hands. Number 1. Soucolor 283-piece art set with easel. This all-in-one art kit is perfect for beginner artists. It includes a wide variety of tools for drawing, coloring, and sketching. It's a great way to explore your creativity. The set features a double-sided trifold easel and a compact art box. It also comes with drawing pads, a coloring book, and a total of 283 pieces. This makes it easy to create art anywhere. Inside, you'll find 206 art tools, including crayons, colored pencils, and watercolor cakes. It also includes drawing pads and a coloring book. This set has everything needed to start creating art right away. The included coloring book has beautiful designs to inspire creativity. It's a great way to develop coloring skills. This is a perfect gift for kids to share special moments. Made with premium quality materials, this art kit is safe for artists of all levels. It's designed for kids who love to spend hours drawing and exploring their creativity. It's the perfect art set for any young artist. What we like. This art set is a comprehensive kit with a wide variety of art supplies, perfect for beginner artists. It also includes a built-in trifold easel, making it easy to create anywhere. If you're looking for a complete art set to kickstart your child's artistic journey, this is the one. It's ideal for beginners who want to explore different art techniques. What people say. So many different colors and mediums for little artists or bigger artists. He has spent hours creating art. It has everything you can think that a kid may need to color. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.